Wow, wow, wow. Check out that view. It is absolutely gorgeous here. This is Karina Danager with EXP coming to you from Cocoa, Florida. Have I got a house to show you today? Check out this big driveway. You have an area where you can put a dock back up if you want. You have a private gate that's electric, so you just hit the button when you come in and you can close it when you're done. Nice big overextended driveway. You have a double car garage with lots and lots and lots of extra storage. So much storage. Over here, what is so amazing is this little gravel road behind the house takes you all the way back behind the pool area, which I'll show you in a little bit, but there is an oversized, like way oversized, 2-car carport for RVs, boats, trucks, whatever you want to put back there. It's awesome. So lots and lots of great parking in the front and around the back. This whole house was just repainted a week and a half ago. So the entire exterior looks fantastic. The whole house was also completely renovated back in 2013, 2014. They put on hurricane impact glass windows, impact doors throughout the house. The one thing I want to make note of, because this is east facing front door, they put a roll down shutter, so you have extra protection at the front door so water's not coming through during heavy winds during a hurricane. This floor is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's nice, beautiful cherry wood. Just check out this view before I even walk around. This was all remodeled. In fact, that door right there used to be a whole room in the middle of the floor. I will never understand why builders do that. Hey Guy, nice to see you. Shout out to Laura. So they removed that air conditioner that used to be in a closet in the middle of the dining room and had it all moved over during the remodel, which was so very smart to open this all up. So there was nothing choppy going on. I love the recessed lighting. I love the air conditioner feels great from being outside. This would be a formal living room, plenty of room to set up television and some furniture over here. She had it, but starting to thin out since she'll be moving soon. Over here is your formal, you have a family room. I love all the window treatments, the windows themselves. This is light and bright with very, very high ceilings, gorgeous ceiling fans. I'm going to quickly walk over this direction and show you where the laundry room is. It's right in front of the garage. You have great space for laundry. You have the electrical panel in here. I love it in here over in the garage. Hey, Bailey. Hey, Mike. I agree, Bailey. The floors are gorgeous. There, right there, next to the electrical panel is the panel for the Generac. And the Generac means there's a whole house generator, which is fantastic. It's a lot of effort and it is expensive to put one in. So it's very nice that the sellers already did that for the new buyers. You have a nice half bath right here off the dining room for guests or for you. Beautiful, stunning kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, gorgeous countertops, plenty of room for at least 4 bar stools, deep, deep sink. I love the sink they chose over the stainless steel. It goes so nice with her countertops. Gorgeous drawers and lots of great appliances. Really pretty, deep pantry, and my favorite is the little window looking out to the pool. Hey, Tanya, nice to see you. We'll come back to the pool area in a minute, so I'm just giving you a little teaser. I agree, Bailey, my next house will definitely have to have a whole house generator. It's the way to go. Okay, this is the first floor master. She has big furniture in her bedrooms. So this is a king size bed. Nice windows, gorgeous window treatments, big furniture, plenty of room to do a little jazzercise. If you want to live downstairs and send everyone else upstairs, or you have an in-law that needs a place downstairs, this room is walk-in closet, high ceilings. They replace all the doors, the hinges, the knobs. They're really stunning. And check out this bathroom they did. Stunning bathroom. Everything matches from the kitchen to every bathroom, which I absolutely love. Super cute. I totally dig this shower. It is a very big shower. I love the Listello that they chose, and along with the bench seat, which is fantastic. And it's just one step out. Now I'm going to turn around and take you guys on upstairs. Wait until you see this loft. The loft is spectacular, and the views are even more spectacular. So we're going to go up the stairs, but I want to point something out. Look how nice these stairs are with the carpet on top, but you still have the wood below. It makes the going up the stairs so much softer on your knees if you're getting older like me. And also I feel like I'm not going to fall down the stairs, which I have done online video. Some of you probably remember that. So look, up here you have double French doors. Remember, hurricane impact glass, and you're overlooking the river at the top of the stairs. But that's not the best part. I'm going to spin around for a second and take a look at this huge loft. Okay, so I agree, Gus, that I would be out there with my coffee every morning with the sunrise. Okay, so you have plenty of space. She had a couple sofas and love seats that reclined, and a big TV on that wall. Is spectacular. So you can make this a toy room, a game room. You can put a bar up here, whatever you want to do. This space is fabulous. And this space here, you could do desks for the kids. You can make it another sitting area. There's all sorts of amazing things you can do with this space because it just keeps going on. I want to point out all the doors up here have pocket doors, the bedrooms and the bathrooms, which is really nice because the doors always, when they swing into a bedroom, I feel like they just take up so much space that we don't want to lose. All right, back to big furniture. I love this lady. She's go big or go home, and I'm in her home. So right here is your nice big master suite upstairs. And as an added bonus, you can lay in bed and watch the dolphins swim by, which she did the other day and sent me pictures of the manatees swimming by. It is really, really spectacular. So nice. Hey guy, to answer your question, it is about just shy of 4,000 square feet under air. And Ruth, we're asking $1 million. Okay, so another pocket door. Check out this stunning master bathroom. Double sinks. Again, all the cabinets and countertops, everything matches throughout the house, making it so nice and flows so easily. I'm going to take you back here. Nice big water closet. There's your pocket door. And there is your water closet with storage area. And then to my left, I'm going to spin you around, and your walk-in closet also with a pocket door. And then check out this shower. I think you could do like jazzercise in here. It's huge. So you got the bench seat. You have 2 shower heads, extra storage in the corner for your shampoos, and you have 2 faucets to work the 2 shower heads. And it is big. I mean, literally, if I could lay across, there'd be plenty of room still behind my feet for like maybe Bailey to lay next to me, and we still would have plenty of space. All right, moving on. We're gonna go over here to bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is an office right now. You have a double door closet that's nice and deep, and plenty of room to put a queen size bed. If you really wanted to squeeze a king, you could. And then the view out of this bedroom, we're coming to it, is this humongous patio overlooking the pool. So we'll go out there in a second. So stay tuned for that one. We're going to slide on out and go over to bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 is equally gorgeous. Lots of space, great windows, great views out the windows. You have another deep closet over there. And here you have the pass-through bathroom. So pocket door here, pocket door there. The bedroom across the hall would use this bathroom, and so would anybody up using the loft. But really, really, really pretty. So check out this bathroom, and I'm gonna just spin you around for a second. Beautiful Listello in the shower. It is a tub shower, so if someone needs to take a bath, this is a good spot to do it. And then we're gonna fly out here because this is awesome. So check out the tile across this entire patio. It's the whole length of the entire house. And you get the views of the pool. You have a shade to pull down over there, a couple ceiling fans. Check out the view of that swimming pool. You have the oversized carport that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. And she's just recently repainted the entire pool deck as well. So there's really nothing you need to do to move in. The only thing you might want to do is add the dock if you want to dock out on the river. They were just not able to replace it at the time, and they were moving away. So it's time for someone to enjoy living on the water here and using the water feature. So let me run you downstairs real quick without falling. And then I'm going to take you out back so you can see this pool area. There's some really cool things going on out there. There's nothing spared in this remodel. This remodel, they did, and they really did everything to this house, which is spectacular, and they spared no expense. So coming out here, they tiled their back patio, which is so nice and beautiful and just easy to keep clean, quite frankly. And so a couple big ceiling fans, you got lighting, more ceiling fans. You don't need to screen it in because the whole pool is screened in. And I love that the pool screen enclosure goes all the way up to the second story. So often we're in these pool homes and the screens are low, and honestly I feel like I'm a bird in the bird cage. So this really makes you feel like you're outside without having the screen over your head. The pool is absolutely stunning. And then I want to show you over here, this is that gravel that went out to the driveway at the beginning of the video, and it takes you all the way back here. So you know, when you have a party at your house, the biggest problem besides having to clean up after the party is, where do you park everybody? You have plenty of places back here to park your entire family and probably, you know, one of the NFL football teams. So lots and lots and lots of space. You have two exit doors out of the screen enclosure. You have one back here on the back side, and you have one over here. This one takes you over to the pool equipment, and it also takes you to a very nice insulated shed, storage shed that's very clean in there. She only used it to store her Christmas decorations. Behind that is your air conditioners and the Genac whole house generator. So let me just talk to you guys for a minute. This house is coming on the market today. As soon as I'm done this, we're going to finish uploading the photos from the photographer, and we are going active. If you have anybody who is looking for a pool home in Brevard County on the river, wants storage space, they want to be able to boat and have fun with their outdoor toys, and lots of space to entertain, and really just a beautiful home that has pride of ownership from the minute you pull in until, well, every room you walk through. Call me, call your realtor, call someone, because this one is not gonna last. Thanks for joining in, and I will see you on the next video.